160 degrees of Hamburg, Germany. Okay. Ayan, nandiyan yung kasabay natin, Leitok Perry.
Saan kayo ang bababa?
Ano? Okay.
Saan kayo bababa nila? Meron din silang
Kanami. Okay, Hamburg, Germany. Where are the people? Where are the people? The people are hiding. They drink in the morning. Oh, they drink at night and they sleep in the morning. That's why we don't see people here.